Actually, kasi of course, yung reef cleaning kasi it's not a one-time thing. It should be continuous. It should be done religiously. And nagulat lang ako, yung mostly po kasi yung mga scuba dives namin ng family ko is for leisure siya syempre. Pag nag-scuba dive ka, dadaling ka dun sa maganda. Dadaling ka dun sa walang basura, di ba? So, all along, I thought, ganun lahat. So, this event made me realize na, ay, hindi pala. There are areas talaga that needs ng attention and yung concern ng mga tao, especially scuba divers. Kasi ang hirap niyang linisin eh. Honestly, I think siguro meron na sa ibang bansa ng mga machines that cleans up mga deep parts of body of waters. Pero, dito sa atin, like nga nakakatuwa kasi ang dami palang scuba divers na may malasakit sa dagat. Siguro I think that's also one of the reasons. Yes po, also one of the reasons yung mga long-time scuba divers na they feel like the sea or the ocean is their second home. So they want to protect it as much as they can.